Security has been strengthened in the ethnic violence-hit Jiribam District with the airlifting of a contingent of Commandos of the Manipur police from the Kangla fort of Imphal on Saturday. Officials said that the commando contingent of Manipur police has been airlifted in the Indian Air Force helicopters to Jiribam on Saturday morning from Imphal to assist in the security operations against the Kuki militants. This followed after the Kuki militants killed a 59-year-old farmer and torched police outposts and several houses at different locations in the Jiribam district, sharing borders with the Kasar district of Assam. Rajiv Singh IPS, the Director General of Police DGP of Manipur, said that Sub-Inspector S. Kisorjit Singh will oversee the CDO teams deployed at Jiribam. He shall be responsible for maintaining discipline, command and control, and efficient functioning of the commando teams under the direct supervision of the Superintendent of Police, Jiribam District. The teams of commando officers and personnel of Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kakching and Bishnupur have been airlifted and deployed for duty at Jiribam with immediate effect and until further orders. The suspected militants burned the houses in the villages of Lamtai Kuno, Dibong Kuno, Nankal and Begra. Moreover, the militants torched the Jiri police outpost located in the Choto Bekra area or on the banks of the Barak River yesterday.